Hi, I'm Thomas Jones, Senior Director of Analytical Services for Safe Food Alliance. And this is Tom Talks. So the measures that are in place to prevent cross-contamination include inventory control, sanitation, as well as a proper storage of allergenic ingredients, proper labeling of allergenic ingredients. The other thing that we have to be very mindful of or very careful of is any kind of ingredients that we're bringing in from the outside and making sure that we have good control of those records. So your supplier verifications are also very important. And I can't emphasize enough making sure that there's proper labeling of products that have allergens. A lot of it is simply undeclared allergens, and so it might be a scenario in which maybe they weren't keeping good track of the records related to an ingredient that they were bringing in. Maybe they have multiple products that they're running on the same lines, and they just don't have solid controls over the crossover from one product to another. And a lot of times it's just a simple goof up on the labeling or the packaging. You know, they used the wrong packaging material for a product that had an allergen. Or maybe it's one for a product that doesn't contain that allergen.